Hi, John. Hi, Neil. How's it going today? Yeah, I'm okay. Have you just arrived here? Yeah, today I am a little bit late to arrive here at work. I have been here around 1 hour already. Oh, today you come so early. Yeah, I had to take my wife to the train station in the morning, and then I just came straight to the office because I didn't want to go back home. That is good. Where are you going for lunch today? Maybe we can go together. Yeah. So far I don't have any plans for lunch. What do you fancy? Hmm, we could go and try out that new restaurant over the road there. I've not been to it yet, but some other colleagues told me it was really good and not expensive. That sounds good. Maybe we can go and try it together. My friend from my team is also wanting to have lunch today, so the three of us can go. Yeah, that sounds like fun. We can have a catch up then. I will meet you here around 12 p.m. and we will go and eat lunch. Okay. I will see you then. Bye bye.